plate in there that we need. Get it out of our governor door here.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
Kind of felt it with the grinder there. Kind of got into it a bit. There's our little backing plate that we need to put into that other door. Alright, here's our little inner backing. I drilled out the spot welds that held it in. Got it off of the inside there. Be nice to have it sandblasted. Looks like that's about our spot. Check that on the front door here. Inside piece all ground down and painted. Put in a little rust maybe. That'll of course have to be welded in. We'll bolt it in like this and then we'll weld it in there. It's misaligned. So I didn't know which side it was hitting. So I colored all over this with black Sharpie. And it grounded off right on the bottom of it here. So that means that this needed to go up just a touch. I moved it up a little bit and now it's working. So now try our plate again.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.